Well, a Miami County man connected to the Delphi murder investigation is set to plead guilty in a separate case this week. Kagan Klein has a change of plea hearing on Thursday, and as Fox 59's Russ McQuaid, he has an exclusive look at the court documents in this case, giving us a look inside what could happen at that hearing.
This is the order filed by the Miami County prosecutor that prepares the court for Kagan Klein's guilty plea to all 25 counts of the child exploitation and child pornography charges lodged against him. Kagan Klein has been sitting in the Miami County Jail since the summer of 2020, facing dozens of criminal charges after a probe of his social media travels that linked him to the investigation of the murders of Libby German and Abby Williams below the Monon High Bridge along the banks of Deer Creek east of Delphi in 2017. Investigators say Klein communicated with Libby the night before her death, but he's never been charged in the case. In this motion, filed late last week, the Miami County prosecutor writes that Thursday, Klein will plead guilty to all 25 counts he's facing with no apparent quid pro quo, no trade-off to secure his guilt and avoidance of trial.
The upside for Kagan Klein to avoid a trial would be, for one thing, all of the details and facts, some of which I'm sure he would find embarrassing, might not be revealed to the public.
Also, what's unusual, there is no requirement that Klein cooperate with investigators in any other future cases, such as the trial of accused Delphi killer Richard Allen.
I think as far as his connection with Delphi goes, there are a lot of questions that remain, and a lot of people will want answers about that.
Twice last year, Klein's pretrial hearings were put on hold. At the same time, Indiana State Police divers went into the Wabash River in his hometown of Peru looking for evidence for detectives conducting the Delphi investigation, while Klein's attorney was telling the court that a deal with the prosecutors was in the works, which podcaster Kevin Greeley says means nothing is certain with Kagan Klein until he stands before a judge and says the word guilty 25 times.
Kagan Klein has a tendency to make promises and to say things and not live up to them.
If convicted of the most serious charge lodged against him, Klein faces a presumptive sentence of 3 years in prison. He's already served 32 months in jail awaiting trial. This could possibly mean that this spring, Kagan Klein could walk out of jail with time served and be a free man. In the newsroom, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Russ, thank you. Meantime, Richard Allen is the only person facing charges right now in the Delphi double murder investigation. As we have reported extensively, Abby Williams and Libby German were killed in Delphi back in 2017. Richard Allen was arrested this past fall after years of investigating. He has a hearing that is right now set for June 15th. The eventual trial will happen in Carroll County. However, the jury pool will come from the Fort Wayne area. You can read all of our coverage on the Delphi case right now on our website. That's fox59.com.